Hello, welcome to Enots Engineering. I'm Alan. This week I've got a project that's a little different. It's a request to make a holder for a Nexus tablet for a person with limited use of their hand. So it needs to be able to be used one-handed. So this is what I've come up with. It's just a wooden frame, a bit like a picture frame. It extends at the back so you can have it at different angles. You've got the Nexus held inside the frame. On the back you've got the camera, the socket there for the earphones, socket at the bottom for the charging, and also there's some slots cut in the loudspeaker, and then on the side you've got access to the switches for the on off and the volume. So this was mainly done on a CNC machine. Well, let's go into the workshop and I'll show you how we did it. The Nexus is a bit tight in the holder, so I'm just sanding down the edges and the corners so that it fits without the risk of the smashing the glass on the Nexus tablet, and also I'm taking any sharp edges off or splinters. This is the back cover, and the Nexus is held in the recess, and then a front cover goes over the top to stop it falling out. Right, this is the original base plate which you saw being cut on the machine, and I've had to make another one which is slightly bigger, so I just altered the program, added another hole in and made it a little bit longer. What I've done to this is I made a hinge out of wood and I've just glued it to the back. That's the pin. So that's the base plate finished. This is the front cover, which we've just put 3 holes in, 3 little screws. All this does is goes over the Nexus, just stops it falling out. Now this is the original part you saw being made out of 12mm thick ply. On the back I've put the same sort of hinge device. This is a knitting needle, this is a hinge pin, and on the bottom I've put a strengthening block, which is a hinge pin for that. So that fits through there. This goes in. And that forms hinge at the front. The Nexus goes on there, and then that cover goes over the top. So you should be able to get hold of the control through there. This piece goes in the top here, with this pin. Hinges there, and then that goes into a hole on the bottom with the different angles. I suppose the next thing to do is see if the Nexus fits. Okay, this is the Nexus. On the side you've got on off, volume, camera, earphone plug, and there's a speaker at the bottom here and at the top, and also you've got the power charge socket. So on the cover you've got a hole for the camera, a hole for the speaker, hole there for the power, the earphone, a gap at the bottom so you can put your charger in, and this is the other slots there for the speaker, so that will go in there. This grips in, front goes on it, some little screws, so here you've got your controls. Switch it on. Oh, it is charged. What I need to do now is mark up the switch position so you can see from the front, and that's virtually finished. Oh, I need some rubber pads on the bottom. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time on Enots Engineering.